So I was at the gym running on a treadmill and had to stop to check my phone. And I got this message, says, your loans have been discharged. So I went to go ahead and log into Navient account, and all of a sudden I was shocked. I saw zero balance loans. So let's see how much money did I took out. So first one, the subsidized loan is $3,500. Let's go to the second one, which is the unsubsidized. That is $6,000. So far that is what, $9,500. The third one is subsidized loan, and this is $4,500. So far $14,000. Let me go back. The last one is $6,000. So the total amount I took out is what, $20,000. But the government pay them all off. Zero balance now. Gracias, adios.